Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we are going to be playing some Zombies Royale or Fortnite Royale, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we're just gonna jump into a couple games of this and see how it goes. Now, the last video I did was on Animal Jam. Now that was just a couple, like 30 minutes ago. Today I'm just going to go on a little, video streak, and I'm gonna make a ton of videos today. So yeah, I'm gonna make like 5 videos today. So yeah, we're just gonna jump into this right away, like all the videos I'm gonna be doing today, because I'm not really in a rush, but there's other things I would like to do other than this. Today, this particular day. There's other days where I'll be doing streams and stuff like that, live streams. So yeah. Wait, what's in the shop? What's in the shop? Who knew there's a log in there? I'm also sorry about the ads, but I guess I am kind of advertising for some people in some cases. This is gonna be a harsh game. Because I haven't played this game in a while. It looks like they have upgraded the battle plane or battle bus or whatever they want to call it. I need a crate. I need a crate. I need a gun. I need a gun, please, 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 please. Nope, that guy's going for those. Crate, 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 crate. Snap. I see somebody shooting over there. Oh no. Something. No, 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 no. I'm leaving. Bye. Bye. Pistol. Pistol. E-pistol. Got somebody that is on my team. And there's so many crates. Should probably have this in my hand. Okay, hopefully nobody finds me. Oh, somebody just found me. Right as I said, I hope nobody found me. Somebody found me. Nope, 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 nope. You. Ah! Ah! How? 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 How do I leave this? This is gonna take forever. I just have to stare and look at these ads. Seriously? 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 Okay, I gotta give it to this guy. He's amazing. Honestly, I think these guys are gonna win. This is where I died. Is there like a way you can leave this screen? No? What is that guy doing? This is real boring. Okay, how about this? I'm just gonna leave sight and then get back on it. and see if this works. Then do solo. Guys, I also have recently made Fortnite, which is a box fort. Now, I'm probably going to show this in the next video. That is actually, like, inside, and it's not a video game. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. Okay, doing solo. For some reason, I'm good at solo, but not 50v50 on this game. And then on the actual Fortnite, I'm good at 50v50, but not solo. Well, I guess you can kind of say I'm good at solo. I've gotten like top like 3 a couple times, like I don't know, 10 times. But that's really tricky, and it takes a lot of time to get that good at it when you're a noob. I'm kind of like 50-50, noob pro, noob pro, noob pro. I need this gun. No, 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 no! Oh, jeez. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Play again. We're actually going to end this video off in a couple minutes. I'm just going to go for this one chest. Hey, no! No, crap. I suck at this game. I kind of just want to play a different game at this point. I'm pretty bored. Guys, like I said in my last video that I just recently uploaded, I am going to be doing some Mixer streams today, I think, with my friend Ripper. So, yeah. I forget what Ripper's, YouTube channel name is. I really have no idea. But when I get his YouTuber name, I will probably show you guys, so you can go check him out. I got a scar, but it's a gray scar. I can't believe there's actually gray scars. No, that guy was on me. That guy's on me. That guy's on to me. Okay, I'm just running. Can I have, like, grenades or something, maybe? No? Okay. That works. Maybe. Okay, finally, I got some smoke grenades. I kind of just want some normal grenades, but... Great. Nope, but I can work with it. I'm gonna have my smoke grenades on here. To attract attention, I'm just gonna do that. So now I'm gonna run away. Hopefully I can actually get some real grenades from this. Nope, just bandages. I mean, I can work with some decent bandages if they actually will help me at some point. Okay. Guys, comment down below if you want me to do some more of this. Some more of this game, because I feel like a lot of people do want me to do more of this game. But that's just my opinion. If you guys think something's wrong with this game and you just don't really like it, well, you can just comment down below that you don't want me to play this game anymore and that you think I should take a break. So, like, of course I'll still play the game when I want to play the game. I just won't really film it for you unless somebody requests it to bring it back again. I'm probably not gonna bring it back again, but unless somebody requests it. So I know a lot of people like Fortnite right now. A lot of people really, really like Fortnite. It's like one of the most popular games. Well, it actually was one of the most popular games last year. I think it was the most popular game last year. I didn't really see if it was, but I'm pretty sure it was. SMD, Epic SMD, okay, I'm gonna take it. So guys, also if you want me to do some more Animal Jam gameplay, I did talk about this a little bit, in my last video, which is an Animal Jam video. But if you do want me to do that, just comment that down below. Because that's pretty fun to me. I actually have been playing that for 5 years now. 4 years technically, since I was 4. And I'm 8 now, so snap. So yeah. Hopefully, my career as a YouTuber actually goes well. Because this is a pretty crappy head start. I mean, like, I keep thinking, what if I never get popular?